Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into some massive AI news that's flying under the radar, but it might be the most important development you hear about all week. We all hear about the latest AI models and software updates, but what about the actual foundation everything is built on? I'm talking about hardware. Hardware is where the real battles for scale, cost, and ultimate power are being fought and decided. So what's the big news? A major chip designer just expanded its strategic partnership with one of the biggest social media platforms on the planet. This isn't just another order for off-the-shelf chips. They are teaming up to purpose-build a brand new AI infrastructure, specifically tailored for the platform's unique and massive workloads. Think about the sheer volume of content, data, and user interactions that platform handles every single second. It's mind-boggling. The headline detail that really caught my eye is the plan for their very first deployment. They're creating a custom data center GPU based on the chip designer's next-generation architecture. This isn't a small-scale test. They're targeting what's being described as gigawatt-scale data center builds. Let me put that into perspective. A gigawatt is a billion watts. That's enough energy to power a small city. We are talking about building data centers on a scale we've never seen before, purely dedicated to AI. Even if you strip away some of the marketing hype around the gigawatt term, the direction here is crystal clear and incredibly significant. What this shows us is that the largest buyers of AI technology, the big tech giants, are no longer content with standard, one-size-fits-all hardware. They are actively pushing their vendors, the chip makers, toward creating custom silicon. They want tighter co-design across every layer of the stack: the chips themselves, the servers they're housed in, and the software that runs on top of them. Why are they doing this? It all comes down to one thing: efficiency. They need to squeeze every last drop of performance out of every watt of power consumed. When you're operating at this kind of scale, even a tiny improvement in efficiency can translate into millions or even billions of dollars in savings. It also helps to reduce critical bottlenecks in both training new AI models and running inference, which is the process of using those models to make predictions or generate content. Better efficiency means faster responses, more complex models, and a better user experience for all of us. The competitive positioning here is also really clever. When a company invests this heavily in a custom hardware solution, it dramatically raises its switching costs. It's not easy to just unplug one set of custom chips and plug in another from a competitor. This partnership effectively locks the social platform into the chip designer's hardware roadmap for the foreseeable future. This is a huge deal right now, as multiple GPU and accelerator vendors are in a fierce battle to secure these long-term, high-volume contracts. It's a strategic move to secure a dominant position in the market for years to come. So, what should we be watching for in the near term? I'm keeping my eyes peeled for more specifics on the timeline. When will we see the first of these custom GPUs actually get deployed? Another key question is which workloads will be prioritized. Will they focus first on training the next generation of massive AI models, which is incredibly power-intensive, or will they prioritize inference, making the current user-facing AI features faster and cheaper to run? My guess is it will be a mix of both, but their initial focus will tell us a lot about their immediate priorities. Finally, we need to watch how much of their software stack gets optimized specifically for this custom GPU path. Will they rewrite their core AI libraries to take full advantage of this unique hardware? The more they customize their software, the deeper the partnership becomes and the harder it will be for any competitor to break in. This is a story about the hidden infrastructure that powers our digital world, and it's a trend that will define the next decade of artificial intelligence. It's not just about building better AI, it's about building a better, more efficient foundation for it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this deep dive interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more analysis on the future of tech. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.